everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. And this today is going to be photos of my granddaughter holding one of her cousins. So she is just such a peanut and so cute. And it's just darling. And when her little brother was little, she loved him, even though she's only 15 months older. So now that in these photos she's 4, and so was super excited that, or 3 actually, and was so excited that she got to hold her. So I'm using a baby collection. I still have a baby collection because I still have, at some point I'm going to do an album for my great niece, and so it's kind of cool that I still get to use baby girl scrapbooking supplies, even though I'm not doing a baby book. So I started out with that wood paper from Echo Park Baby Girl, the little one paper. That floral paper, which is so beautiful, is Echo Park Baby Girl Gingham. And then the polka dot paper, which is the green paper, is the Baby Girl Newborn Floral on the back side. So I'm kind of collaging these photos together with the two top portrait photos and then the landscape photo at the bottom. And I'm kind of taking up the extra space of the landscape photo with that 3x4 card, which is from the Echo Park Sweet Baby Girl collection, the 3x4 journaling cards paper. And then I'm using some chipboard here that the Dream Big Little one is from the Sweet Baby Girl chipboard phrases, and then that bottle is from the Baby Girl adhesive brads. So sometimes they have little chipboard pieces with the adhesive brads as well. All right, so I'm kind of liking how that sort of that bottle sort of brings the chipboard in. Now I'm looking for something else to add to the bottom of that card or to the top here. I'm thinking title at the top, but we'll kind of, see how that looks, what that looks like as I'm going through these die cut packs here. I did like this cute as a button because this baby is darling and she is cute as a button. So that is just so cute. Kind of toyed with using some frames here. Okay, and then there's a sticker die cut. I think it was a sticker baby bottle that I was trying with using, but I liked the color of this one a little bit better with that card. I think the sticker bottle had a blue outline on it that I didn't like as well. And then I found this little banner sticker that says sweet little lady on it. And that is from the Baby Girl Element sticker sheet. Again, everything here is Echo Park, the baby collections from Echo Park. So they put one out about every year. And they're similar in color. They do change colors a little bit. And I love this one with the wood accent to it, the wood and the green and the kind of pearly pinks. So I wanted something to go up there, and then I found this pacifier, which is from the Sweet Baby Girl chipboard accents. So I really like that. That's just a little something extra on the top there to bring in the chipboard. So really, honestly, there's not a lot of embellishment to this page. Okay, so then I found that baby bottle, another baby bottle again, was thinking about it, but didn't really like it. I did put the chipboard piece back in the middle of the pacifier. I didn't like how you could see the photo in the background because you could see more than one color. I do the same thing on paper. If I only see one paper through it, I'm fine with it. But if I would see like the join in 2 papers, I don't like that. So I put that back in. I think Chanel has the same issue too. It's just, for me, it's just design. I don't love it. So the interesting thing about this, there's the adhesive brad sheet, by the way, on the bottom right. And I'm still looking for some sort of accent. And I see this little one that says baby. And I do like the fact that it has wood in it to bring that wood into the foreground from the wood background paper there. So I really like the way that looked and decided to use that. That is from the Baby Girl Frames and Tags collection. So anyway, what I was saying is I did not put washi tape or anything on the join between the two papers. And it's okay. I mean, I didn't do it on that day and I just kind of left it then. And that's fine. So now I'm going to add some enamel dots from the Baby Girl Enamel Dots. These are some older collections, although not that old. I think these are only from 2021 and they're sticking to the sheet. I'm having a hard time getting them off. The glue is staying. So I'm going to have to, at some point in this, get out my own micro dots, my glue dots, and put them on or put it on the paper and then add the enamel dot back to it. So I guess that's what happens when you don't use your supplies. Some of them go bad. So I guess they're sticking just to the sheet, not to the dot. All right, so adding those in. And I'm doing 3 different colors in each cluster here. Wanted to get those used up. I do like that Echo Park makes enamel dots that match their collections exactly, except that I don't always get them used up like I wish I would. But, you know, for things that are a little bit more uncommon, it's nice. Like some of these colors are a little bit more uncommon. And here you see these are the micro dots I was talking about. So just putting those down and adding the dot back to it. And I do love the baby is wearing a different kind of pink than the corally pink I have in here, but I like that it does echo her sleep set, that her little sleeper that she's wearing. All right, I'm almost done here. I think other than these. All right, you guys, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.